In this video, I'm going to cover a few different places you can think of to actually house your next video project, because this is kind of a recurring issue for a lot of us. If you either work virtually or if you work in an office space, it's not really conducive to your video project. You can actually find places in your local area where you can film your project. Let me go over a few of them with you right now. One of them is going to be local colleges and universities, as well as public buildings. So if you look at a lot of these universities, they have a lot of space that doesn't go used all the time, and therefore they do rent those spaces out. So just by doing a quick search on the internet, looking up meeting rental spaces, you can get rates for generally 4 hours or perhaps the full day that you can rent and have your video shoot there. Just make sure you're forthright with them and let them know that you're going to be recording your meeting, so therefore you will be having some videography equipment there. A lot of these places will require some level of insurance, so if you don't have insurance, you can pick up some short-term insurance. I can go over that in another video. The second one I'm going to suggest is peerspace.com. That's a great resource as well. You have a variety of different settings you can use there. They have homes, office buildings, unique settings that you can rent just for your video project. Typically the minimum is going to be about 2 hours, but you can rent these by the hour, and so you know exactly what you're going to spend on the budget side. And of course you can purchase insurance and other amenities as you're renting those facilities for that particular hour or for that particular day. The third one on my list is going to be Geekster. Geekster is an app you can install on your phone, but you can rent spaces similar to peerspace.com, and they can be a variety of places like office buildings and homes where you can film your video project. These are 3 great resources that you can get at a relatively low cost. In another video, I'm going to be covering how you can get insurance to secure your space for that particular day. Thanks for watching.